Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Triton GLX dual cab ute, stock reference number 5137. This shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door has 5 small dents. Left rear door has only 3 small dents. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgate has multiple dents. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, and hitch. Right hand tail light. Right rear door has 1 small dent and a bit of paint peeling on the top edge. Right front door has 3 dents. Right power door mirror. And an aftermarket Ironman snorkel with all fittings. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior. Seats do need cleaning. Cloth type center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, left sun visor, interior mirror, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.